Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game is on version 1.6.8 and fully patched. That ensures compatibility. Next, enable multiplayer and make sure your NAT or port forwarding allows discovery because blocked ports hide servers. Open the server browser, apply filters for low ping and your region, then search for the exact tag V1681 or variations. This narrows results quickly. Once done, mark favorites so you don't lose candidates while you test connections. You now narrow the list. Type precise tags like V1681, V1681 server, or V1681 garden to filter clutter. Then sort by ping and active players so high population, low latency servers appear first. Those are most likely live. If a match looks right, right-click for server details and copy the IP. Once you have an IP, use the Direct Connect or Console Connect command to bypass flaky browser listings. This often succeeds when the GUI misses transient servers. You finish by attempting to join. If the server requires a password or authentication, enter credentials immediately so you don't lose the slot. After joining, verify game version and mods match the server to avoid kickouts. If you can't find V1681 or connections fail, flush your DNS, restart your router, and relaunch the game. This clears stale routing and discovery caches. Make sure to try a different region filter briefly, because servers sometimes register under neighboring regions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.